Welcome back to the channel. This is December Daily, and today I am working on day 6. I am using one of my acetate pages, which is actually going to get quite covered up, but that's okay. This is the one I think I made on camera with you, where I just punched out some vellum and stuck it in between these two sheets. So the plan for today is to use this little page for Christmas lists. And all I did was I took this little very cheap Michaels teeny tiny letters, and I chose the different letters and I just put them together with an elastic band to stamp all of our names. So that's what I've got. Tucker, Teddy, Penny, Emily, Morgan, John. I also kind of made some of the things that we got or are getting for our Christmas lists. I pulled some stickers. I'm not really sure how this is all going to come together because I'm going to have to decorate both sides again. But yeah, I will put you on fast forward while I get embellishing. So you're going to watch me cut a little bit of string here, but I don't end up using it. I put all the little strings through the tags, and then when I went to close the flaps of the envelopes, they didn't lay very flat. So I ended up going through this little bit of work for nothing. I ended up taking the strings off when I realized it. So I do one of these little pages more or less every year in my December daily, and I use them differently from year to year. But this year I saw a really cute post as I was scrolling through Pinterest, and I really liked the way the little lists looked. So that's kind of what I used for my inspiration. Yeah, you can see I'm kind of going, yeah, this didn't work. So I'm just showing you that the envelopes were not going to be laying flat and that I cut all the strings off. And here's where I start embellishing this side. I started with that little Dear Santa letter because I figured, you know, it's very apropos. And I didn't end up liking the style of the font there, so I just used one of my more vintage looking stickers just to kind of keep with the vibes. And then this is where I use a lot of those ticket embellishments. So I have 2 sticker sheets of this simple, I think it's Simple Stories Vintage Christmas Lodge or something like that. And I ended up having 2 of the sheets. So I thought I'm going to just see if I can use a lot of the like embellishments because I have a whole other sticker sheet. And then these little stickers, I decide to put a cardstock back on. I originally thought I'd go with white, and then I opted for like a more parchment kind of paper. You can see it there. This parchment paper is not a Christmas themed paper. I believe this might have even been a dollar store paper. But I ended up punching circles out that are just slightly bigger than the stickers, just to give them a little bit more bulk, because these little cardstock stickers are quite thin paper. And I was worried they wouldn't hold up because this page is not in a page protector, so it's going to get handled quite a bit. Just going to use some liquid glue to stick those down. And I really like the way this page turned out. This side especially. I like that uniform kind of look that everything has. And again, really not using a whole lot of supplies. So if you're someone who is tempted to do December daily, but you don't have a lot of paper pads or like collections of things, just know that you can always do printables and pull together a kit pretty quickly. These little envelopes, I think there's only one of them that's like Christmas themed paper. One of them is a recycled Christmas card, and then the rest are just non-Christmas themed. One of them's just plain cardstock. So don't let the fact that you don't have a lot of pattern papers stop you from doing December memory keeping. I really like throwing kits together using all kinds of different collections. And if you're anything like me, you have enough scraps that you can probably make your own embellishments to kind of make a collection work anyway. So I'm just using some of the stickers here. Again, this is the sheet that I have 2 of, so I'm not too worried about using these larger stickers. I'm really making this this kit stretch. And that is pretty much it. I don't think I add anything more. I may end up getting some little Velcro dots or something to help me keep these little envelopes stuck down, but for now, the stickers will do just fine. Okay, so day 6, all done. I didn't end up doing a whole lot of embellishing on this side, and I just wanted to use some of these tickets. And then here, I just used some of the larger stickers to stick the envelopes down for now. And you can still open them pretty easily, so no biggie. All right, as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me today, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.